Hello, this is question 28 on the foundation paper and question 9 on the higher paper. They are both from paper 3 in November 2023. We're shown line L on the grid and we're asked to find an equation for L. Pause the video, attempt to answer the question, return to play the video to see the solution and where the marks are available. Welcome back. So we're asked to find an equation for line L. And we know that equations for straight lines are in the format y equals mx plus c. And we know that m is representing the gradient. And we can find the gradient by finding the change in y over the change in x. And we do this by looking at 2 points that sit on the line. So this first point has coordinates 0, 3, and the second has coordinates 1, 1. To find the change in y, we look at the y coordinates and we've got 3 and 1, so the change in y is 3, take away 1. And when we look at the change in x, we need to use the corresponding x coordinates. So the change in x is looking at 0 and 1, and we use this coordinates first when we looked at the change in y. So we're going to do 0, take away 1. And this will give us 2 over -1, which is the same as 2 divided by -1, which means our gradient m is equal to -2. Our c is our y-intercept. And we can see that the line crosses the y-axis at 3. So c is equal to 3. And this will give us the equation y equals -2x plus 3. This is a 3-mark question. If you get the answer y equals -2x plus 3, you would get all 3 marks. You will still get the 3 marks if you'd found the equation to be y add 2x equals 3. If you didn't get the correct answer, then there is marks for your working out. There is 1 mark for finding the y-intercept or for finding the gradient. And that is the y-intercept is 3 and the gradient is -2. If you find both, you can get 2 marks. And being able to pop them into the equation gives you your 3rd mark. I hope you found that helpful.